Introduction to Expedia Virtual Credit Card. Expedia Virtual Credit Card is a digital payment solution offered by Expedia that allows users to make online transactions securely. The virtual card is a unique 16-digit card number that is linked to your Expedia account and can be used to make payments on Expedia or other websites that accept major credit cards. How to get an Expedia Virtual Credit Card. To get an Expedia Virtual Credit Card, you need to have an Expedia account and a payment method such as a credit or debit card added to your account. Once you have added a payment method, you can generate a virtual card by going to your account settings and clicking on Generate Virtual Card. Understanding the Expedia Virtual Card details. The Expedia Virtual Credit Card comes with a unique 16-digit card number and expiration date and a security code. The card details are displayed in your Expedia account and can be copied and used to make online transactions. How to use the Expedia Virtual Credit Card. To use the Expedia Virtual Credit Card, simply copy the card details from your Expedia account and paste them into the payment field on the website where you want to make a transaction. Make sure to use the correct expiration date and security code to complete the transaction. Benefits of using the Expedia Virtual Credit Card. Using the Expedia Virtual Credit Card provides an additional layer of security when making online transactions. The virtual card is not linked to your physical credit or debit card, and the card details are not stored on the website where you make the transaction. This reduces the risk of your card details being compromised in case of a data breach. Best practices for using the Expedia Virtual Credit Card. Always keep your Expedia account and payment method details up to date and secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Make sure to use the correct card details and expiration date when making a transaction, and keep a record of your transactions for reference. Conclusion. The Expedia Virtual Credit Card is a convenient and secure way to make online transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can generate and use an Expedia Virtual Credit Card to make payments on Expedia or other websites. Remember to keep your account and payment method details secure and use the virtual card responsibly to get the most out of this digital payment solution.